We're gonna drop it like that. 10 feet, 20 feet, and 50 feet in the air. Still good. Paying off a little bit, but that's to be expected. It's looking good. We've tested this thing up to 20 feet in drop protection, and we're gonna try and push it to 50 feet. 20 feet, so this should be good. Still good. Make sure the actual back case is good. That's what I meant to. Nice. So let's see the front. Perfect. No damage to it. 20-foot drop. Oh, wait. Okay, this broke. Right there. A little piece of plastic. It might have just been from, like, hitting. We're gonna test it from 50 feet up.
You want me to try it? I'm willing to do it.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, okay. Oh, wow. Look at that. The kickstand completely flew off. The bezel came out on its own. Yeah, that's broken. The other piece of that case also came off. Did not pass the 50-foot drop test. Not completely surprised, but we passed a 20-foot, we passed a 10-foot, so 20-foot drop protection from Supcase.